Good morning. Hope you all are fine. Here, in the previous class, no, we have completed the lesson also, the new blue dress. It was a dress given by the teacher to the little girl. And here you see, because of the dress only, there was a lot of change. And we have seen it also. What are the changes? Again, the people started decorating their houses. Okay, and all others got together. We seen it. So, shall we continue this lesson, ma? Shall we? Yeah, great. So, coming, where we stopped last time, we stopped at page number 21. Page number 21. Okay, ma? So, now we'll see. After supper, mother began washing the kitchen floor. I said, no, after supper means the food which is taken at night times. We said dinner. After dinner, what happened? Mother started cleaning the kitchen floor. It was a long time since she cleaned the kitchen floor. So after so many years, let's get the small dress was given by teacher. The new blue dress, but change. So the father started repairing the house, repairing the fence. When mother started doing one work, father at once he did his turn. He started repairing the fence. The next evening, with the family's help, he began to make a garden. So next evening, the members of the family, they all got together and they started making a garden. So what is a garden for the house? A garden will be very beautiful, it will be very attractive, no? This was it. During the next week, the man in the next house watch his neighbor was doing. So commonly now, when one person does one thing, the other person will want to imitate. You want to do something better than that. Same way, when they did something, the neighbors, they wanted to do something better. So they started. No, they started what? No, his neighbor started doing. And at the end of the week, the man began to paint the house. So coming to the next day, the neighbor started repairing his house. And at the end of the week, the man started painting the house. So after many years, there was a lot of surprise. Even the house was being painted. For the first time in 10 years. So after 10 years, the house has been painted. A few days later, the young minister of a church near Gates Avenue passed these two houses. So a few days later, hardly a few days, when the book started going through progressively, the church minister, the minister of the church, he passed Gates Avenue. Okay, these two houses, and saw two men working. So he saw two houses looking very attractive with the garden in front, houses are being painted, and the two men are doing work. For the first time, he noticed that there was no payment. Now the young minister, he noticed there was no payment in Gates Avenue, means road to walk by, and no street lights. So now he came to know there was no payments, no street lights, and no running water, drinking water facility was not there. People were trying so hard to make decent homes where you deserve help. So he said, no. So the young minister thought, when people are trying to build change in themselves, when they are trying to build their houses, when they are trying to be decent, we also have to do some help to them. We have to do some help. So we see what the help. People who are trying to have decent houses and deserve help, the minister thought, he asked some important citizens in the city to help him. So at once, the minister asked some important people in the city to help him. Why? To bring a change in Gates Avenue. What are the changes now? Now the minister wanted to bring payments. He wanted to bring water. He wanted to bring street lights. So these three are the main things which the minister wanted to do a favor for the people who are living in Gates Avenue. A few months later, because of the young minister, there was a payment on Gates Avenue. So hardly a few months, because of the young minister, there was a payment in Gates Avenue. There was a street light at the corner, so not only payments, a street light set up, and the houses had running water. So almost all the houses had running water, drinking water. 6 months after the little girl got a new dress, Gates Avenue had become a tidy street where respected citizens lived. So after 6 months, after the topic happened, the tragedy took place when the teacher gave the little girl a new dress. Hardly 6 months, there was a lot of change where in Gates Avenue. Gates Avenue. When people in other places hear the story of Gates Avenue, so when the people of other areas, when they heard about Gates Avenue, how it started, and how the development came in progress. They was very shocked. They began to organize their own cleanup campaigns. So they also started to organize their own cleanup campaigns. Since 1913, more than 7,000 and cities have organized campaigns for painting and repairing homes. Painting and repairing homes. And making lives for the people who live in them. So it was making the people who live there, the lives have changed. Their lives, they had a lot of change in their lives. Who knows what will happen when a teacher gives a little girl a new blue dress? So what happens next? Who knows? When a teacher gives a little girl a new dress. So here at the very beginning, the teacher gave the little girl a new dress. There was change. There was change at Gates Avenue. Why? Because the moment the girl wore the new dress, the mother wanted to keep the house clean. She had to clean the kitchen floor. Then so what happened? Step by step, the father did his job. He repaired the fence. He planted so many flowers, trees in front of the house. He built a beautiful garden. After he started whitewashing the house. So this is what happened. Finally, what happened? The small girl, the teacher, and the new dress. They are the main characters which have brought a lot of change in where in Gates Avenue. So I told her last time to read the meanings twice, ma. So okay, that they will stop it there. Okay, ma. Sure. Today we will just go to the grammar part, ma. Take out the English grammar, English grammar. I hope all of you have your books done. Many of you have got your books now. Okay, students? Yeah. Grammar part 6. So we shall go to it? Yes. So actually, come to page number 5. Page number 5. So, listen carefully, my students. This is a very important topic for us, ma. Actually, here, what is the sentence? What is the sentence? So, you can see topic. Okay, ma. Topic is 1, the sentence. So, write a question mark. What is a sentence? With a question mark. What is a sentence? A sentence is a combination of words which are meaningfully arranged to express a complete thought or an idea, and one of them must be a word. So, nothing ma. A sentence, what is the sentence meaning? It is simple, not this way. It's in your own manner. A sentence, okay, is a collection of different words put together to give a meaning. Here what they give? Meaningful array. Okay, combination of words which are meaningfully arranged to express a complete thought or an idea. That one must be a verb. Compulsory, you must have a verb here. What is the verb now? It tells about the action done by a noun or a pronoun. What ma? It tells about the action done by a noun or a pronoun. I think you all have learned this in the 4th class, 5th class also, students. Grammar part. And what is a sentence is very simple for you all. Now, the most essential means the important part of a sentence is the verb. So, the verb is the most important part in a sentence. What ma? Important part in a sentence. So, see here example now. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. So, always you must start a sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop or a question mark or exclamation mark. So, a sentence must always start with a capital letter mark. So, all start with a capital letter. Then it must end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. What ma? Then with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So, this is the sentence. Examples. Usha listens to the radio. Listen is the word from here. Usha is a noun. To the radio, the work done by the noun. What she's doing here, she's listening to the radio. Usha is listening to the radio. How much did you pay for this book? Here, pay is a verb. Pay is the verb. Pay, paid. B1, B2, B3. Paid is the verb. So, how much? Means is asking. Question marker. Here, this is a full stop here. This is a question mark. Oh, the train is late for 3 hours. Exclamation mark. So, here there are 3 examples. So, I come again now. Sentences, there are 4 kinds of sentences. In sentences, there are 4 kinds of sentences. So, this is very important, my students. What are the 4 kinds of sentences? Okay, assertive and declarative statement sentences. Now, you see, there are 4 kinds of sentences. One is assertive or declarative. The first one is, we can say it assertive or declarative. The second one is imperative sentence. First one is assertive or declarative. Second one is imperative sentence. The third is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative always comes the 4 question mark. Okay, ma? The fourth comes the exclamation question. Exclamation question all comes with this tag. Okay, ma? Fourth is the exclamation. There are 4 kinds of sentences. What are the 4 kinds of sentences? Assertive or declarative, imperative. Third one is interrogative, questioning, reasoning. And comes exclamative. So, first of all, what is an assertive sentence? What is an assertive or declarative sentence? An assertive or declarative sentence states or says certain facts. It tells about an assertive sentence tells about the certain facts It can be affirmative fact or negative fact. It can be a positive fact or it can be a negative fact. She is great, positive, affirmative. She is not great, negative. Today is beautiful, positive. Today is not beautiful, negative. So this is the sentence now. So this sentence we can say now. It says whether you can the assertive sentence or a declarative sentence deals with what not maybe a positive or a negative question. So it almost ended a full stop. Must ended a full stop. Coming to imperative sentence more. An imperative sentence gives a command or a request. So what my imperative sentence gives a command, request or an advice. So what it is? Imperative sentence gives a command, request or an advice. This is called as imperative sentence. So see a command. Don't go there. Keep silent. Sit down. Advice. Please wait here. Request. Get up early in the morning. Suggestion. This is all commander. What commander? Imperative sentence. A third one is the interrogative. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Interrogative sentence asks a question. So, yeah, all question marks. Okay. Did you complete your homework? Question mark. What time did you get up? Question mark. Are you listening to the class? Question mark. Will you do your homework? Question mark. All come under interrogative. So, interrogation means interrogative. Question mark sentence. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. So, what mark? It ends with a question mark. The fourth one is exclamatory sentence mark. It's all feelings. So, express sentence expresses sudden feelings of joy, pleasure, anger, sadness, and surprise. So, in exclamatory sentence, you get sudden feelings, joy, pleasure, anger, sadness, and surprise. All is come, and the exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. So this is the exclamation mark. So, okay. Here, the sentences are given here. Actually, we are given some sentences here. Each sentence will have different words. Different words. So, today your work is nothing, ma. Today your work is now. What is the sentence? A sentence is a combination of words which are meaningfully arranged to express a complete thought or an idea. Okay, so this one, this sentence read, question answer, and there are four kinds of sentences. What are the four kinds of sentences, ma? Assertive, declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamative. Only these you write. Don't write the full. Don't write with the meanings. Don't write with the sentence formations, examples. Only four sentences: exclamative, interrogative, imperative, assertive, or declarative. Question: what is the full sentence from here to here? Okay, ma? You are write it twice, ma. How many times? 2 times. Okay, ma, students? Am I clear to you, ma? Are you enjoying the class, students? Okay, ma. Take care. Bye.